important to focus on citrus as a crop because it's a key crop for South Texas. It's a perennial crop, which means we need to irrigate this crop year-round. And that water is shared between Mexico and it's also shared with Texas.
Whether it's the city wanting water or the farmer out here trying to make a crop so they have something to eat, we all have to share that resource.
And so the Harlingen Irrigation District, in concert with Texas A&M University-Kingsville Citrus Center and Texas A&M AgriLife Extension and Research Centers, basically split up $3.8 million to invest a 10-year study on what is actually happening at the on-farm level with water conservation and water use. In the valley, about 85% of the agriculture for citrus is irrigated in a traditional manner, which is flood irrigating pretty much the entire field. Narrow border flood is an alternative form of flood irrigation, raising berms between the citrus tree rows and moving water between those raised berms.
We analyzed 8 years worth of data from flood, from narrow border flood, from drip, and from microjet. Narrow border flood saved 35% water.
Let's take that into consideration for all the citrus growers. You would save about 40,000 acre feet of water every year if those growers switched to narrow border flood.
Not only did it save 35% water, but it had the highest yields or returns.
What's the number one thing to make good quality and good size fruit? Water. We're going to end up with a better product because we put it where we needed it. We put it to the tree and the fruit. Narrow border flood is a huge step that people can take at a minimal cost impact.
The ability to transfer what you have now to narrow border requires just labor and a little bit of equipment expense.
Growers trust other growers. By word of mouth from one citrus grower where it's working to another citrus grower, that's really how this movement is growing.